Welcome to part two in developing our Discord crypto bot. In the first video, we worked on basic deployment of our Discord bot, just adding it to our server and looking at all of the av available tickers on the Coinbase Pro exchange. In this video, we'll be looking at the most recent trades based on our ticker label. So these are just some quick examples that I spun up. In this case, we're looking at the four most recent trades on Bitcoin, starting from the bottom and going to the top. As you can see, we have our side. So these are all sell orders, and then we have our size, the amount of Bitcoin that we are selling, and then we have the price, the price that Bitcoin is being sold at, the trade ID. This is just something to help distinguish between the different trades. Then we have our time as well as our index. Now that that is being said, our bot doesn't seem to be running, so let's go back to our code and we will run our bot. So go back to our main. We'll do Python main.py. As you can see, if you get a basic message like this, and that means that the bot is running. Now that that is done, we'll go back to our Discord server, and as you can see, our bot is working. So now let's just do a basic test run. We'll do the command list trades. All right. And then we will do Bitcoin, USD, and then the trade count will be, we'll say 3 for this time. So what this just did is we looked at the three most recent trades on the Coinbase Pro exchange for the pair Bitcoin and USD. So it seems that the most recent trade was a sell, and then the ones after that was another sell, and then a buy order. So this is the oldest the oldest trade, and this would be the most recent one. And the most recent one was another sell. So there seems to be a lot more people selling right now. They seem to be selling well, I don't know. It looks like a smaller amount of a Bitcoin at this price, 45,000. So people seem to be thinking that, you know, Bitcoin is going to be dropping in price again. Let's look at our code to see how this thing works at a deeper level. Let's see here. So we can probably close that, and then we take a closer look at our code. So from the previous video, all I did was add a new slash command here that would list the most recent trades, and it would also call a new method in our coin class that would interact with the trades on our Coinbase Pro exchange. So going back here, we have our bot command, and then we have notice how we have two options. We have our trade count and our ticker label. The trade count, as you can see here, it would show how many recent trades you'd be looking back, and the ticker label would be what combination that you would like to see. So in our example, we looked at Bitcoin to USD, and then here we just have the list trades command. As you can see, this is also the name of our method, and this is typically the first thing that the user would see. It's also good to have some type of message that would tell the user, you know, what's going on, what does this command do. And lastly, we have our last decorator that would say that, oh, this is a slash command. Now, we go to our main method, list trades, and as you can see, it is talking to our coin class recent trades. Now, what this class does is it will directly interact with the Coinbase Pro exchange. So, as you can see, we have our ticker and our trade count. So this will be looking at, you know, the three most recent trades of Bitcoin to USD, and then it will format that into our list. And then in this line of code, we are basically creating an empty data frame, and then we will be having our for loop count up into our most recent trades, and it will append the trading data to our empty data frame, trade data. And that's basically what is going on. It will return a data frame to our Discord server, telling us what the most recent trades were for that ticker label, you know, and just general information about that. Now, one thing that you probably also notice is that this also has a try except. So this is one way to catch errors. So let's say we run the bot again. You know, it's working. That's good. And it's running here. So let's say we do list trades, and then we list something that isn't on the exchange. You know, we just have like a typo, and then we have our trade count of 3. It will most likely have this type of error. The application did not respond. So that usually means that whatever the user typed in, either they didn't have an exact number for the number of most recent trades, or the ticker that they looked up was not on the Coinbase Pro exchange. In this case, it would be the second one. So looking back at our code, it should print out the error. Yeah, it said not found. So I guess in the future, I would have this. I think I would have the method return this not found to the user. This would probably be much more useful than looking at a terminal, because I don't think a user would have access to this. So in the next video, I'll have this implemented, and we will also start looking at trading signals on the Coinbase Pro. I'll probably be messing around with momentum and mean reversion trading signals in the next video. Once again, thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time.